Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse Lady. Today I'm going to show you our new Magicjack HOME. We have been using Magicjack as our landline phone for the last 7 years. But the last few months it has been acting up, so it was time to purchase a new one. This one is the Magicjack HOME 2019 version. It was very simple to hook it up, to activate it, and transfer over my existing phone number onto the new one. The Magicjack came with the Magicjack device, a quick start guide, USB extension cable, the power adapter, and the Ethernet cable. Also, 12 months of free service. You plug it into your modem, then you go to your computer and you type in mjreg.com to start your activation. It pulls up a screen and then you follow the steps. It will ask you if you're replacing an existing Magicjack. And I said yes, and it brought up the current phone number and all the information. I was able to answer a few questions and it was connected. Since I had just renewed it in February of 2020, I received an additional 12 months of free service. So now it will not expire until 2022. Now the voicemail is clear, there's no static on the line, and everything seems to be functioning very well, like it did 7 years ago when we originally bought the first Magicjack. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and thank you for watching.